Yo, what up, gang? This your boy Charger 17 3.0 coming at you guys with another great video today. Today is a video that it's gonna be a video showing me, showing you guys what I'm doing, but I'm not gonna really fully record because I'm gonna be doing this pretty quick and getting it done real quick. It's gonna be me doing it. So you got your boy merch on, you know, got merch on. Let me set you guys up. You guys probably don't have no idea what we're talking about. Huh? Let me show you up right here. Let me see. Okay, yeah, perfect. Perfect right there. Yeah. See that? Yeah, I had to do that. I ain't had to do that, but I had to. That sign you hear, I'm paying air in one of the Mrs. Sawyer's right here. She need the air in there. I'm doing some work back here. So, paying air in her tires, right? I'm about to change my brake pads to these right here. See these right here? These should have been well overdue, but you know, when I got the car, I was happy to enjoy the car and everything. You know, I was fully happy to enjoy it. You know, I'm still enjoying it to this day. You know, and we're in a perfect month for me to do something special. But you know, in the meantime, I'm gonna let the video roll. You guys enjoy. It's just I won't say I'm like a mechanic, but you know, I'm doing like my own little work on my stuff right here. The Brembo calipers, these things are easy to change. I got the four piston one. So it's pop out the little pins, the holding support clip in there, and change them out. So the back ones are a little smaller than the front ones, but they're all going to get changed out real good. Yeah, I'm gonna show you you guys what we're talking about right here. See down? Oh no, you can see. Yeah. Really good. If you can see where my finger at, that's where it's at right there. One of the pins and the holding thing. As you see right here, because I got stuff that's already on my rims, so it's easy to wipe. So see, easy to wipe like this. It just sit there. That's, remind you, those brake pads that come with it. Let me check this real quick. Hold on. Alright, we're still good. Yeah, those brake pads that come with these stock cars with the Brembos, they're good, stopping, 100%. I like them. They're nice. But the one downside of them, they kick up a lot of brake dust. And as you know, over the years, of course, Dodge, some reason they use them. Something that they do, they use that brand. So, especially on the Hellcats and the Scatpacks. I'm not sure about the RTs. Depends on if it's asked for at them when you ordering those cars. But I know in the Scatpacks and the Hellcats, those brake pads kick up a lot of dust. And if your wheels ain't treated, that stuff stick. And like I just showed you, I can wipe easy wipe real quick, and boom, my rims are clean like so fast. They're clean. So yeah, my bad. I got cut off by my camera due to a little memory space there. But yeah, as I'm still, like I said, I'm gonna just show you guys. I'm gonna let the video record. And with that said, you guys enjoy this video. First time doing it. I was kind of hectic about, you know, little hectic about doing this. But the more I looked into it and I checked it out, yeah, I can do it. I can do it. I ain't gonna show you the guys that breaking them in, because I'm gonna have to do some driving out here. But other than that, it's just gonna be what it is. You know, it's pretty simple to do. My rotors are good, so just the brake pads I'm switching out due to the brake dust. And not only, it's gonna get more stopping power brake fight. And yeah, we're gonna keep the video rolling, you know. This boy Charge 17. I ain't gonna say it again. I'm gonna just let you guys enjoy this video. You heard? And these bugs out here, and it's warm. But yeah, it's warm. First you said you got a hoodie on. It's not one of them cloth hoodies. It's one of them feel good type hoodies. Show the arms. Show them arms. Big ass arms I got. Alright, y'all, enough of me rambling. You guys enjoy this video. Hopefully you guys can, whoever got the same type of vehicle with the same setup like those, they can get some type of idea that they can do it themselves. If they ain't comfortable, you can take them to a shop or a buddy of yours that know what they're doing, and you guys go from there. But other than that, the tools you need, it's pretty simple. I got a rubber hammer, so I can tap the little pins out. You get a pin tapper, you tap that out. I ain't gonna guys show you all that fancy work and everything because I don't got the pin tapper. And matter of fact, I gotta locate my my rubber hammer. My rubber, yeah, I gotta locate that. But I have an idea to get. I don't know where the last time I used it. But anyway, yeah. With that said, I'm gonna get this video recording. You guys enjoy. You already know. Like, share, comment. Free will, thumbs up. Definitely share these videos, y'all. And it's 2021. We gotta keep going up. Oh, by the way, did I do a cold start?
Probably.
No.
Or no.
You heard. Let me get this cold start going. Watch out, turbo. Watch out, turbo. Let me see if I can do the cold start with the trunk open.
Yeah, you can't.
No, I can't.
It's not allowed.
I thought I could do that. I got to move the helmet, gloves. Alright, now we're gonna get the cold start. You ready? We ready. How could I? Why y'all ain't tell me I was doing this video without starting the cold start first? Huh? Alright.
But it's not live.
Tara, it is live.
Oh.
You
You can do a live one, Carlos?
Yeah. If you hook it up. See, that's why you gotta learn things. Alright, let's get this cold start started because I gotta keep it going. I got other stuff to do besides doing my projects here at home. I got things to do still. Yo, like my dude Hellcat Red IG says, that sound doesn't get old. We know that sound don't get old. Shout out to him. Go follow him on his channel. He does stuff on cars too as well. He's a mechanic, which he's a Mopar enthusiast just like I am and a bunch of the rest of us. Go follow him on his channel, and I'm gonna get this video rolling. You already know, guys. See ya! It's the old one. And the new one. See how much thickness it is? I mean, these were still good, a little bit, but
forever is the strangest thing.
More mainly reason for the brake dust. These was kicking up a lot of brake dust. This is the new.
No thing.
See, rust protection plate on the back. Is everything back here. Get in there. You can push these here in just to get it to go in, because like I said, the old ones, new ones are a little more thicker, old ones a little more worn down, so that means these are close, the pistons are closely in. Alright, I ain't gonna show you the whole fully process because it's warm out here and I'm trying to get the job done. I ain't trying to worry about the camera dying or none of that craziness. So I'm gonna show you, well, it's gonna repeat the same process for all of them all the way around. So I'm gonna just show you from here and that'll be about it from there. Because this video is gonna be a quick video of me doing this, not even showing you guys. There's a bunch of videos out there, but this is for the 2020 Scatpack with the 4-piston brake Brimbos calibers. So I'm taking the brake pads out again. I'm gonna repeat it. Taking the old ones out, placing them with the new ones with the Powerstop Extreme. They keep low down on the brake dust, and it should still be about the same bite, or maybe a little more aggressive. Who knows? I'm gonna find out when I gotta break them all in, but I gotta repeat this whole process on all of them. It's hot. Nature is good. Really hot. And because we had rain the other days, I wasn't trying to be out here to do it in the rain. So with that said, I'm gonna get to rolling. I'll turn back on the camera when I'm officially done. Alright, everyone. Peace.
It's never more or less. It starts at any time you like and ends in just a wink. Pass me the lighter, baby.
Alright, gang, I'm back. I finished changing my brake pads. As you already seen on the video, you'll be looking, well, if you already made it to the end, you already know. You're looking from my cameras, because your boy Charge 17 3.0 ain't record down here. I mean, I show in between and stuff, but
Forever is the strangest thing.
yeah.
It's shorter than anything.
So I'm good. I done broke them in. We're good. We stopping good.
No thing.
As usual, as always. I'm back and walking backwards out here. She look flawless, clean, but still semi-dirty. That's what, when you got that good stuff on the car, she can look like this. Take whatever nature throw at her. That's right. Other than that, guys, I'm just ending this video. Yeah, it's the next day. I was hot. It was hot. Plus, I went and eat. Then I came back out. It was a different type of energy. So it was one of those, like, yeah, I ain't about to record. I'll finish this recording. It was just it was basically just was the ending. Other than that, it was pretty alright. Oh, let me explain to you guys. The back ones, because it's at an angle. I mean, because if I had a lift here, as you see my backyard, how it look. I mean, I could have all that fancy stuff in there and pull it out and do, I mean, you know, but I ain't about to do all that. But the back ones are different. Their brake pads are smaller, so it's always, for some reason, depends on the way the setup is or the way the manufacturer give you that. But if you're gonna change it, you change the whole system. But anyway, like I was saying, because it's at an angle, they don't slide out easily. So the pins, they're nicely firm inside.
Longing
You put them
is the
in.
music of our sphere.
It's an easy setup.
The gift
You
of
know,
life is
like I
never
said at the
more
beginning of the
or less.
video, I was on on the borderline about changing them and doing all that. Now, I probably gotta do my rotors later on, no time soon, but later. But probably which in this probably will be the brake pads too and the rotors all in one. But yeah, you got eBay, not eBay, scratch eBay, Amazon, or your excuse me guys, your local auto stores, or your dealership, or you got American Muscle. I got that magazine, y'all. I got that magazine, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna show that on my freaking bugs. Nature. I'm gonna show that on my Instagram. I'm gonna take a picture, load that up on there. Probably by the time you see this video, that picture will be already on my Instagram. So don't worry, it'll be already on there. So you can follow me on Charger 17_3.0. That's on Instagram. That probably be in the description, probably not. Just slowly listen to it. If you're already at the end, you can follow me on there. And Facebook is Lola Thomas. That's the name of the car, Lola Thomas. So she do got a Facebook and stuff. I try to keep it more car stuff on there for it, but you know, that's why I don't go on there too much. I mean, I'm always on Instagram, so yeah. Then my hand had hit the record button right there, so that's what happened. But other than that, this is the end of the video. I'm enjoying my day. It's nice out here. We out here cooling. As you see, still got my merch on. You know, I got some other stuff coming in. I don't know, it's taking like for a minute to come in. But you'll see if I have it on in the next videos, or not the ones I'm about to be uploading. Newer videos. So by the time you see it, I don't even worry. So I probably had it on a couple times. Hopefully there's some other stuff supposed to come in, but I don't know. Stuff taking forever now. They don't got the supplies or nothing. But yeah, everything's good. We're broken in. We got that nice bite stopping power. Like I said, sorry that I ain't do no full installment video of it, full detail how to do it for the 2020 Chargers. Yes, they still got, Dodge still offer the same setup with the Brembos. So for the guys that got the Challengers and the girls, both Scatpacks and I believe Hellcats or the RTs. I'm not sure about the RTs. You have to look in for that if you don't switch your whole setup to this setup. But I know for the Scatpacks that got this setup here and the Hellcats, that's what we rolling on. But other than that, guys, this is your boy Charger 17_3.0 coming at you guys with another great video today. Hit that like, subscribe, comment at free will, and everybody stay tuned to the next ones. I keep uploading. You already know what to do. Hit that like, subscribe, comment at free will again. I'm gonna say it again. And yes, we out. The sun looking good. I'm out here. I'll probably clean up. But you already know, guys. We out. Peace, everybody.